In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Government Trades. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this powerful data source and how to read it with confidence so you can incorporate it into your market research. First, head to the Data Widgets area inside your Benzinga Pro workspace. This is the hub where Benzinga organizes specialized data streams beyond basic news and charts. Think of it as your toolbox for deeper market insights. If your layout looks different, don't worry. Workspaces can be customized, but the Data Widgets section is consistent and designed to be easy to spot. Once you're there, open the Details section and look for Government Trades. This is the dedicated view for public disclosures tied to government-related trading activity. It aggregates filings so you can quickly scan which tickers have reported transactions linked to government officials or agencies. The goal is simple: surface timely, structured information that's otherwise scattered across filings. Inside Government Trades, you'll typically see a table of recent disclosures. Common fields include the ticker symbol, the name of the disclosing party or entity, the transaction type such as purchase or sale, the disclosed amount or range, and two important dates, the transaction date and the disclosure or filing date. Pay close attention to the gap between these dates. Disclosures can come days or weeks after the actual trade, and understanding that lag helps set expectations for how actionable the information may be. You can scan the list to spot patterns such as clusters of activity in a sector, repeat mentions of the same ticker, or unusually large dollar ranges. Many users also keep an eye on recency. New filings can be more relevant for short-term monitoring, while still noting historical activity to build context. If the widget offers sorting or quick filters, use them to bring the most recent or largest trades to the top or to isolate specific tickers you're tracking. As you review entries, consider how the information might fit into a broader thesis. A disclosure alone is not a recommendation, it's a data point. Combine it with fundamentals, earnings dates, news catalysts, and technical context. Also remember that some disclosures are reported in ranges rather than exact amounts, and the presence of a trade doesn't guarantee future performance. That's the workflow. Go to Data Widgets, then navigate to Details and select Government Trades. Use the table to monitor disclosures, compare dates, and spot noteworthy activity. With consistent use, this view can become a reliable part of your research routine, helping you stay informed and make more deliberate, evidence-based decisions.